Can I actually learn to edit like a pro in CapCut using just these beginner tips? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to share with you how to edit like a pro in CapCut, a powerful, free, and easy-to-use video editing app. If you're new to video editing or just looking for a simple tool to create amazing content, you're in the right place. CapCut makes it easy to create seamless transitions that'll keep your viewers engaged. And then there's the audio inconsistent levels, background noise, and it's just a mess. But with CapCut, you can easily adjust your audio levels and make your video sound professional. With CapCut, you can add text, stickers, and effects that'll make your video stand out. And the best part, it's all super easy to use, even if you're a total beginner.
Let's dive in. First, touch audio and select beat option, and add beat you can also auto-generate. Now split or trim your clips according to beat, and remember your clips are less than 1 sec. Now add keyframes like me and zoom on last keyframes like me. And after adding some trending transition and text, your video is ready.
Let's do a side-by-side comparison.